Alright, so I just really wanted to quickly show how to put these C-ring clips on to your piston and your rod. So you have your pin. This is a BMW N55 piston, and you're gonna put this. Normally what I do to make sure that everything is kind of the same, I make sure that the mark there, the QR mark, matches or lines up with the QR mark on the piston. Makes it a little bit easier to keep everything uniform. And so I gotta put the pin in. So you just line the pin up, and the pin should slide in fairly easy. And one way to make it slide in is kind of to move that to kind of get it to go down and to seat all the way down. This is the easy part. So you want to take this, your C-clip, the opening should sit at the bottom. Don't let it sit here. Typically the bottom, top, or over here is fine. But what you'll do is it's easier to make it sit at the bottom. If you don't have the tool, you don't need the tool. All you need, is a screwdriver. It can be a thick one, small one, it doesn't matter. You won't necessarily need it. You'll squeeze in at the top and push down. And sometimes it might take a couple of times to get it to seat in, and you'll notice that it kind of goes in just like that. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Alright, so you can either use your thumb or use your fingers, and you just kind of push it in, and it'll sit in the groove inside there. And normally I just make sure that it's sit. I don't put a lot of pressure on because I don't want to scratch it. That is it. That's all you need to do to be able to put a C-ring on. It's that simple. If you're wondering how to get it off, right, you take the screwdriver like so, stick it in that slot there, and pry. And normally I put my finger over here because once you pick it up, and you're gonna pick it up and get underneath it, it will kind of pop out once you get enough leverage on it. So kind of get it underneath and pop it up in there. If you don't do it, it will fly off. So I'm gonna do it one more time. Again, take the top part, the open part is at the bottom, and you're just gonna squeeze in. I normally just kind of take my thumbs, and I just kind of push until I get it in. And there you go. It's that easy.